Hello students, welcome back to my channel Words and Numbers. In the previous video, we learned what rational numbers are and how to represent them. Today, we will take the next step and learn operations on rational numbers. First of all, we will understand what are operations on rational numbers. Operations on rational numbers mean performing mathematical actions on the numbers in the form of P over Q, where Q is not equal to 0. There are main four operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First of all, we will do the addition of rational numbers. There are some simple rules that we need to follow while performing addition of rational numbers. To add any two rational numbers, first make the denominators same, add the numerators, keep the denominators same, and simplify if possible. So student, let's take an example. In first example, the denominators are same. So we simply add them. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 over 7. So this is the answer. In example 2, the denominators are different. So first, to make the denominator same, we will find the LCM of 4 and 2. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. If you don't know how to find the LCM, I will make a short video, you will check it. After finding the LCM, we will make the denominator same. In first case, 1 over 4, the denominator is already 4. So we don't do anything. In 1 over 2, the denominator is 2. So we will multiply it by 2 to make it 4. 2 times 2 is 4. And we also multiply the numerator with 2, the same number. And 2 times 1 is 2. Now we will add them. So now we have the same denominator 4. And we will add 1 plus 2 and the answer is 3 over 4. So students, let's now understand subtraction of rational numbers. The simple rules are: make the denominators same, subtract the numerators and simplify the answer. Let's take an example. In first example, the denominators are same. So we simply subtract the numerators and the answer is 4 over 8. We will simplify the answer and our final answer is 1 over 2. In second example, the denominators are different. So first we will find the LCM of 6 and 3, which will be 6. After that, we will make the denominators same, 6, and then we will subtract the numerators and the answer is 3 over 6. Now we will simplify the answer again and our final answer is 1 over 2. So students, the next operation is the multiplication of rational numbers. The rules are: multiply numerators together, multiply denominators together, and the last, simplify the fraction. Let's take an example. In first example, we will simply multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator together. 2 times 4 is 8 and 3 times 5 is 15. So 8 over 15 is the answer. In second example is with a negative number, minus 3 over 7 multiply 5 over 9. So we follow the same rule, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 3 times 5 is 15. We will put a negative sign here. 7 times 9 is 63. Now we will simplify it. After simplifying it, the answer is minus 5 over 21. So student, now understand division of rational numbers. The rules to divide the rational numbers are: keep the first fraction same, change division sign to the multiplication sign, take the reciprocal of second fraction. To understand this, let's take an example. In this, we will keep the first fraction same and we will take the reciprocal of 2 over 5. The reciprocal of 2 over 5 is 5 over 2. Now we simply multiply them and the answer is 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 2 is 8. 15 over 8 is the answer. So students, today we learned addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. Some important points to remember: division by 0 is not possible. Always simplify your final answers and the sign always matters. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel Words and Numbers.